Welcome back to Reggae Roots Market London. You are a melting pot of cultures. I love it. I'm always on the lookout for an adventure. My latest culinary quest took me straight to the heart of Brixton. The goal? To experience the legendary flavors of Jamaican street food. Let me tell you, it was a carnival for my taste buds. The air buzzed with excitement. Reggae music filled the air. The aroma of spices and sizzling meat wafted from every corner. It was impossible not to be swept up in the vibrant energy. I was eager to dive into this Caribbean feast. I knew I was in for a treat. Jamaican food is about more than just taste, it's a celebration of life, history, and culture. Get ready for a wild ride, folks. We're about to embark on a Jamaican street food adventure. First up, the king of Jamaican street food, jerk chicken. This is not your average grilled chicken. Oh no, this is a flavor explosion. The chicken marinates in a blend of fiery Scotch bonnet peppers, aromatic spices, and herbs. The result? Tender, juicy meat with a smoky, slightly charred flavor. I watched as the vendor expertly flipped the chicken on the grill. The aroma alone was enough to make my mouth water. Each bite was pure heaven, spicy, smoky, and utterly addictive. Jerk chicken is a true testament to the bold and flavorful nature of Jamaican cuisine. It's a must-try for any foodie visiting the island. Next, we have the humble patty. Don't let its simple appearance fool you. This pastry is packed with flavor. Imagine a flaky golden brown crust. Now, fill it with your choice of savory fillings: spicy beef, tender chicken, or flavorful vegetables. Each bite is a burst of pure satisfaction. I opted for the classic beef patty. The filling was rich, savory, and perfectly spiced. The pastry was flaky and buttery, complementing the filling perfectly. Patties are a staple in Jamaican culture. They're perfect for a quick lunch, a satisfying snack, or a delicious addition to any meal. Please show some love to Reggae Roots Market. For a true taste of Jamaica, you have to try Aki Saltfish. This national dish is a unique and delicious blend of flavors and textures. Ackee is a fruit that, when cooked, resembles scrambled eggs. It has a mild, slightly sweet flavor. Saltfish, as the name suggests, is salted codfish. It adds a salty, savory depth to the dish. Together, they create a harmonious blend of flavors and textures. The ackee is creamy and delicate. The saltfish adds a chewy, salty bite. It's typically served with boiled green bananas, fried dumplings, or bread. I enjoyed my ackee and saltfish with a side of fried plantains. The sweetness of the plantains complemented the saltiness of the fish perfectly. It was a true taste of Jamaica. Section 5. The rhythm of food vendors and their stories. You know, one of the best things about street food is the people you meet. The vendors are the heart and soul of the experience. They're passionate about their food, and they love to share it with others. I had the pleasure of chatting with several vendors during my adventure. They shared their recipes, their stories, and their love for Jamaican food. One vendor told me that her jerk chicken recipe had been passed down through generations. Another vendor shared his secret for making the perfect patty crust. These interactions were more than just transactions. They were glimpses into the heart of Jamaican culture. From plantation to plate, a history in every bite. Jamaican food is a fusion of cultures and influences. It reflects the island's rich history and diverse heritage. The indigenous Taino people, the Spanish colonizers, the African slaves, and the Indian and Chinese indentured laborers who came later, all contributed to the development of Jamaican cuisine. Jerk cooking, for example, has its roots in the traditions of the Taino people. They would slow-cook meat over a fire pit, using indigenous woods and spices. Ackee and saltfish, on the other hand, is a dish with West African origins. It reflects the ingenuity of the enslaved Africans who used salted cod, a cheap and readily available ingredient, to create a flavorful and nutritious meal. More than just food, community, and culture. In Jamaica, food is more than just sustenance, it's a way of life. It brings people together, it's a celebration of culture and heritage. Whether it's a family gathering, a community event, or a casual lunch with friends, food plays a central role in Jamaican culture. Street food, in particular, is a vibrant expression of this communal spirit. It's a place where people from all walks of life come together to enjoy delicious food in each other's company. A feast for the senses, colors, aromas, and sounds. Experiencing Jamaican street food is a feast for all the senses. The vibrant colors, the tantalizing aromas, the rhythmic sounds, it's an immersive experience. Picture this. You're strolling through a bustling market. The air is thick with the smell of jerk spices, sizzling meat, and sweet tropical fruits. Reggae music fills the air, setting your feet tapping. You see vendors expertly preparing dishes, their hands moving with a rhythmic grace. The colors are vibrant and inviting. It's an experience that will stay with you long after you've had your fill. An invitation to explore Jamaica on a plate. My Jamaican street food adventure was more than just a culinary experience, it was a journey into the heart of a vibrant culture. It was a celebration of flavor, history, and community. So, the next time you're craving an adventure, I urge you to seek out the flavors of Jamaica. Give Reggae Roots Market a visit. You'll discover a world of taste and tradition that will leave you wanting more. Trust me on that. Thanks for watching.